What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Jay Creates, and I'm back at it again with another video. Oh Lord, clean my mic off. But anyways, so as y'all can probably already tell by the title and the thumbnail what we're doing today. So you hear me? Let's go ahead and get started because it's supposed to rain and it's already kind of started raining. So I'm trying to hurry up and get this out the way before it gets bad because I'm anxious to put this thing on, bro. Well, let me set y'all up. So I don't even know where to put y'all. No, I'm gonna put y'all like right here. Get y'all alcohol, wipe that thing down, you feel me? Not the car, obviously. Oh my God. I don't know what I just wiped on the car, but it does not look good. Ooh, it's carbon fiber, y'all. Y'all see, I don't know if I can see that. Thing's clean. So, go ahead and line it up. Oh, by the way, man, y'all stay tuned for more videos of this car because it will be an official part of the channel. Essentially, this is how it's supposed to look. You mean carbon fiber. So let's see if we can get this thing on there. Should be a quick and easy install, honestly. Now I've heard that the tape that they give you is kind of dupe water. So we're gonna see how true that is. Feel me? We're gonna test that. I don't know if y'all can see me because I can't see myself, but I don't know. But yeah, I don't know. This shit feels bad. Don't even feel like it's good. Here, where's my? I had some paper towels so I could wipe this wing down with. Trying not to scratch the car up. Honestly, it's the last thing I would want to do. I don't know if y'all can see me, man. So first thing you want to do, because I know of, I ain't even watched a video of doing this before I did it. I just kind of know how to do it from doing it on friends' cars or seeing other people do it. I got a cut on my finger. Let's straight here. So folks keep passing by, staring at folks. I get it, you ain't never seen somebody on YouTube chasing my dream, man. Chasing the dream, man. Let's wipe this over. But can y'all see that cloud back there? I don't know if y'all can. Oh, look at this cloud back here. I don't know if y'all can see that. But yeah, it's supposed to rain, man. It was just drizzling a few minutes ago. I'm trying to hurry this thing up. I'm trying to see how I'm gonna do this. Hold on, y'all, because I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna need some scissors or a knife. I don't cut myself here. Ugh. I almost did though. Trying to beat this rain, man. So let's see how we're gonna even do this. He is trying to get it straight as possible. Passing by here, looking at me like, bro, what are you doing? I don't even know if I need to line it up on the edges. If I just need to, I don't want to keep taking it off and putting it back on because that cloud getting closer and bigger. Hold on. Let me hurry up. Cut it. But man, y'all gonna start seeing this car a lot more because it's gonna be, oh, I cut my finger. But this gonna be the official car for the channel as of right now. Me and my girlfriend been talking about doing stuff to her car for a minute now, and it's finally coming to fruition. I think that's the word I'm supposed to use or I'm looking for. Man, I don't even know how to cut this, bro. Tweaking. I'm probably cringing at the way I'm cutting it, but I don't have any scissors, so I almost scratched the whole bumper. Not bumper, trunk. Let's see. Oh no, this is gonna be like a little makeshift type of thing. Really unprofessional. So these, y'all don't know, these do have little holes in them. These do have little holes in them, so you can be able to drill them in if you want to. Yeah, it's not real carbon, by the way, if you couldn't probably already tell that. Let me set y'all back up. So, let's see. Hopefully I'm doing this the way it's supposed to be done. Because I would hate for us to be going about 60, 70 on the highway and it just fly off. Yeah, that wouldn't be great. Wouldn't be good at all, honestly. Okay. Boy, that was a big bolt of lightning, boy. Let me hurry up, because I don't like lightning. I don't know about y'all, but I can't stand it. Honestly, so far, this thing is sticking on there pretty good. Now, I don't know if they gave us this big roll because we're gonna need extra, like just in case some fall off or what. But we might end up using this whole thing. Jesus. Yeah. This is probably kind of boring for y'all. I don't know. It's fun for me. Bro, just staring at him, bro. Bro, just staring like, bro. Can I help you, bro? Like, do you need something? Put that along there like that, like so. I really hope I don't cut this trunk. Bueno, boy. Let me hurry my black self up. Golly. Trying to hurry. Boy. Trying to hurry up here. Yeah. But no. Yeah, this ain't gonna be the best work, but at least it won't be my worst work. Make sure all this stuff's stuck down. Now I'm gonna put some extra just cause I don't want this thing to fall off. Alright, that's one thing I'm really afraid of. This thing falling off on the highway and us seeing it in our review. That wouldn't be cool. God dang, bro. Oh my god. Look, bro. The paper. The paper's stuck. Now I don't know if we were supposed to use this whole strip of double-sided tape, but we did. So when you're done, essentially this is what it's supposed to look like. This isn't the best job, but it's still a good job, you know. A for effort. Let me show y'all what it looked like without it. Jesus. I'm stabbing myself. That's what it looked like without it. So, let's go ahead and put this thing on here. Now for the fun part. Take all this extraness off. As a matter of fact, let me make sure all this tape is stuck down, bro. Like I said, I would hate, absolutely hate, for this thing to go flying off when we're on the highway. Bro, folks love this here, bro. When you're doing YouTube, it gets really uncomfortable because folks stare at you more than they would if you weren't sitting in front of a camera or doing something in front of a camera or even talking to a camera. It will not come on. Oh my god. There it is. We're done. Now for the fun part. I gotta line this thing up. Let me see something. Oh Lord. I feel like, oh yeah, it's not. Please. Brick. shouldn't have pushed it down. Oh, I'm rocking the car. Trying to get it as close to the it's on there. Oh my god. My girl gonna come back to the house and she gonna see it and she gonna love it. I ain't gonna lie. I had to get y'all reaction to that. Oh, I'm not y'all reaction, but her reaction. I don't know, I'm being slow today. Oh my god, that's the first mod that's on there. Oh man, I like the way this. Oh yeah, that's on there. That's not coming off at all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, that ain't coming off anytime soon. I'm excited to see what. Get this, oh my gosh, bro, I'm excited to see what this thing looks like from a distance. Oh my lord, perfect job. Got it as close as possible, bro. Oh yeah, that thing looks good. Oh man, that thing looks good. Jesus. See what it looks like? Oh yeah. Oh my god, the wind. I hope the wind ain't messing with y'all with the mic. Oh my gosh. It's sitting perfectly. Oh my, bro. This thing is clean, bro. I did a good job. So that's the wing install. We also got a front lip to match the wing as well, carbon fiber. But we will get that installed once we get this bumper fixed. Because y'all see right here, we got a little dent right here, a tow hitch at her job. Somebody backed up too far and, you know, banged that thing. But, yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. She just got back. She parking my whip. It's the little Rogue right here. I might throw this thing on some 30s, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. 30s wouldn't be too bad. Right, if she got out the car. How you like it?
Oh, you put it?
I like it. That's it? You like it? You should love it. It looks, oh my god.
So much better.
Yeah, it does.
Look at that.
Oh my god, so over dramatic.
It's an accomplishment. That's our first mod.
You said what?
I said it's an accomplishment. That's our first mod.
No, for real. Man, y'all stay tuned. More stuff coming. I promise y'all, more stuff coming for this thing. Anyways, y'all, that is the wrap for the video, man. I'm gonna get back in the house before it start raining. Because it look like it's gonna start like right now. So y'all stay tuned for another video. I will be posting I will be installing that front lip very, very, very soon. Hopefully next week. Cross our fingers, hopefully next week. So, anyways, like I said, y'all stay tuned. Like and sub, man. Until next time, peace.